ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഇന്ന് നടന്ന അസിസ്റ്റന്റ് സർജൻ കാഷ്വാലിറ്റി മെഡിക്കൽ ഓഫീസർ PSC എക്സാമിന്റെ പ്രൊഫഷണൽ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് ഈ വീഡിയോയിലൂടെ നിങ്ങൾ കാണാൻ പോകുന്നത്. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. Question number 1. Trapeziometacarpal joint belongs to which of the following types? Answer B. Saddle. Question number 2. The structure passing through the gap between the superior and medial constrictor is? Answer A. Glossopharyngeal nerve. Question number 3. From which of the following pharyngeal pouches the thymus develops? Answer C. Third. Question number 4. Which of the following muscle is supplied by anterior interosseous nerve? Answer A. Flexor pollicis longus. Question number 5. High anionic gap metabolic acidosis can occur in the following conditions except? Answer D. Renal tubular acidosis. Question number 6. Enzyme activated by insulin is? Answer A. Lipoprotein lipase. Question number 7. Which of the following enzymes is dependent on pyridoxal phosphate? Answer B. Ornithine decarboxylase. Question number 8. In which of the following tissues insulin is required for the glucose uptake? Answer B. Adipose tissue. Question number 9. All of the following shift the oxygen dissociation curve to the left except? Answer C. Increase in 2,3-DPG. Question number 10. Diarrheal symptoms in cholera epidemic is due to which of the following changes in the intestinal transport? Answer A. Decrease in intracellular. Question number 11. Select the correct statement regarding hypothyroidism. Answer B. Pre-adipocyte fibroblast release cytokines to produce myxedema. Question number 12. A 50-year-old male was admitted in the ward with hemiplegia of left side which started as weakness. There is areflexia of upper limb and exaggerated reflexes on lower limb on left side. The most probable site of lesion could be? Answer B. A single lesion at C5-C6 level. Question number 13. Section IPC 174 deals with? Answer C. Inquest. Question number 14. Commonest cause for impotence in males? Answer B. Vascular disease. Question number 15. Tire tread mark is an example of the following type of abrasion. Answer B. Imprint. Question number 16. Cooling of the body after death is known as? Answer C. Algor mortis. Question number 17. The infection transmitted by mite is? Answer D. Scrub typhus. Question number 18. Transduction, transformation and conjugation are different methods of? Answer A. Gene transfer in bacteria. Question number 19. Scoring system followed for diagnosis of bacterial vaginosis is? Answer C. Nugent score. Question number 20. Western blotting is used for separation of? Answer C. Proteins. Question number 21. Minimal change primary glomerular disease is characterized by? Answer B. Effacement of the food processes of the paradocyte. Question number 22. The microscopic feature of sarcoidosis include all except? Answer B. Areas of cassation necrosis. Question number 23. The histological type of carcinoma breast with bad prognosis is? Answer A. Infiltrating duct carcinoma, NOS. Question number 24. Anticoagulant of choice for osmotic fragility test is? Question number A. EDTA. Question number 25. Raltegravir is answer B, an integrase inhibitor. Question number 26. The anti-tubercular drug associated with optic neuritis is answer C, ethambutol. Question number 27. Exantinite is an example of answer A GLP-1 analog. Question number 28. Which of the following drugs is not associated with weight gain? Answer B, metformin. Question number 29. Aedes mosquitoes transmit all of the following diseases except answer D, West Nile fever. Question number 30. Hidden hunger refers to answer D, micronutrient deficiency in communities. Question number 31. Effective vaccine is available against all of the following diseases except answer C, leishmaniasis. Question number 32. Prevalence of low birth weight is an indicator of which type of indicator of health? Answer B, morbidity indicator. Question number 33. The denominator for maternal mortality ratio is answer A, number of women in the reproductive age group. Question number 34. Which protein is considered as a reference protein? Answer A, chicken egg. Question number 35. Which of the following method is used to estimate chlorine demand of water? Answer C, Horrocks apparatus. Question number 36. Which one of the following is the strongest study design? Answer C, randomized control trial. Question number 37. All of the features of the central retinal artery occlusion except answer C, massive retinal hemorrhages. Question number 38. Corneal endothelial cell count is measured by using answer D, pachymeter. Question number 39. All are signs of trachoma except answer B, Horner-Trandus spots. Question number 40. HLA associated with the uveitis of Behcet disease is answer A, HLA B27. Question number 41. Which is not a pre-malignant lesion of oral cavity? Answer C, melanosis. Question number 42. Recruitment test is positive in answer B, oncocytic neuroma. Question number 43. Osman's pad of fat is related to answer B, eustachian tube. Question number 44. Multiple perforation of tympanic membrane is seen in answer D, acute necrotizing otitis media. Question number 45. Rhinitis medicamentosa is caused by prolonged use of answer D, both A and B. Question number 46. Most common site of lodgement of foreign body in throat is answer C, cricopharynx. Question number 47. Most common symptom of nasopharyngeal malignancy is answer D, cervical lymph node enlargement. Question number 48. Teardrop sign in X-ray is seen in answer C, blowout fracture orbit. Question number 49. Mucocele is most common in which sinus? Frontal. Answer D. Question number 50. Ludwig's angina is infection of which space? Answer B, submandibular space. Question number 51. Antidote for paracetamol poisoning is answer A, N-acetylcysteine. Question number 52. Which test is best performed to screen for vitamin D deficiency? Answer C, 25-hydroxychlorocalciferol. Question number 53. All are diagnostic criteria of diabetes mellitus except answer B, postprandial blood sugar more than 180 mg/%. Question number 54. A simple measure to assess central obesity is Answer B, waist-hip ratio. Question number 55. Polyvalent anti-snake venom in India is ineffective for envenomation with answer C, hum-nosed pit viper. Question number 56. Not a non-specific biochemical abnormality in hyperthyroidism. Answer D, hypocalcemia. Question number 57. Anti-centromere antibodies are positive in answer A, systemic sclerosis. Question number 58. Which is not an extra-articular manifestation of ankylosing spondylitis? Answer C, aortic stenosis. Question number 59. Which is not a feature of progressive supranuclear palsy? Answer D, good response to anti-Parkinson's drug. Question number 60. Not a precipitating cause of hepatic encephalopathy. Answer C, hyperkalemia. Question number 61. The final active metabolite of diazepam is answer C, desmethyl diazepam. Question number 62. Non-arteritic anterior ischemic optic neuropathy is associated with answer D, sildenafil. Question number 63. Stimulus control therapy is related to answer A, insomnia. Question number 64. All are non-neurological symptoms of Parkinson's disease except answer B, hypohidrosis. Question number 65. Lithium when combined with ECT can cause all except answer C, neuroleptic malignant syndrome. Question number 66. Clue cells are seen in answer D, bacterial vaginosis. Question number 67. First manifestation of magnesium sulfate toxicity. Answer C, loss of angle jerk. Question number 68. Human placenta lactogen is produced by answer A, syncytial trophoblast. Question number 69. Name the test to assess feto-maternal hemorrhage. Answer C, Glihol-Bette's test. Question number 70. Necrolytic migratory erythema is strongly associated with answer A, alpha cell tumor of pancreas. Question number 71. An adult male in the fifth decade when presents with diffuse bronze pigmentation over the skin, hepatic cirrhosis, diabetes, cardiac failure, arthritis, impotence. He is suffering from answer A, Wilson's disease. Question number 72. Impetigo herpetiformis is answer A, generalized pustular psoriasis in pregnancy. Question number 73. Mikulski's kine is positive in answer D, staphylococcal scarlet skin syndrome. Question number 74. Histamine is produced in the stomach by which of the following cells? Answer D, ECL cell. Question number 75. Most common site of carcinoma lip is answer B, vermilion border or lower lip. Question number 76. Regarding allograft rejection, all are true except answer C, ABO blood group antigens are important antigens. Question number 77. Regarding sodium metabolism, the following is not true. Answer B, 47% of the sodium is in the bone. Question number 78. The sign of esophageal atresia. Answer B, continuous pouring of saliva from mouth. Question number 79. Nutcracker fracture is a fracture of answer D, cuboid. Question number 80. Fenester's sign is the pathognomic of answer B, Kienbock's disease. Question number 81. A characteristic narrowing and calcification of the intravertebral disc in radiographs is seen in answer B, ochronosis. Question number 82. Sunburst periosteal reaction is most commonly seen in answer A, osteosarcoma. Question number 83. Normal angle brachial index is answer C 0.8 to 1.3. Question number 84. Reflex level center for the bladder is situated in the dash area of the brain. Answer A pons. Question number 85. Botulinum toxin acts at the dash level. Answer D neuromuscular junction level. Question number 86. Mention the scale to assess spasticity. Answer B Ashworth scale. Question number 87. What is the average photon energy of the most commonly used brachytherapy source, iridium 192? Answer A 0.38 MV. Question number 88. Which of the following drug is not an aromatase inhibitor? Answer A tamoxifen. Question number 89. In small cell carcinoma of the lung, the usual chemotherapy is answer B cisplatin with etoposide. Question number 90. Which of the following are the genes found to be involved in colorectal cancer? Answer C MLH1 gene on chromosome 3. Question number 91. What is the half-life of cobalt 60? Answer D 5.3 years. Question number 92. The most effective system for spontaneous respiration. Answer A Mapleson A. Question number 93. An ASI patient in post-operative recovery room shows pulse oximeter saturation reading of 74%. The corresponding artery oxygen tension would be answer B 40 mmHg. Question number 94. Normal anion gap metabolic acidosis occur in answer B renal failure. Question number 95. Which of the following inhalational anesthetic agents have the lowest blood gas partition coefficient? Answer D nitrous oxide. Question number 96. Causes of macrocephaly include all of the following except answer A congenital CMV infection. Question number 97. The most important extramedullary site of relapse in childhood all is answer B central nervous system. Question number 98. All of the following statements regarding cyclic vomiting are true except answer A episodes last for 2 to 3 days. Question number 99. Features of vitamin D deficiency rickets include all of the following except answer A Bitot spots. Question number 100. A 7-day-old male infant presents with a seizure. Serum glucose is 17 mg per dl. Examination is normal with the exception of the jaundice and microcephalus. The most likely diagnosis is answer C congenital hypopituitarism. ഈ വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെടുവാണെങ്കിൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. താങ്ക് യു.